We were doing all these activities outdoors, and the idea of the tiny home came in because we were able to put it under the oak trees, nestled in, really lovely. I am Maddie. This tiny house is 320 square feet and we're located in Topanga, California. I describe Topanga as a hippie Malibu. We decided that we wanted to go kind of the prefab route, but we wanted to make sure that we had the design elements that we wanted. And then after that, we needed to ship it out here. So it actually took about 6 months for the design to be finalized and then to get it out here. And then it took another couple months to get the deck built out around it. All in, I would say it was about $100,000. I would describe the tiny house style as being like modern meets mountain. Hey, come on in. This is my tiny house. Lots of great living space, great lighting. And this is the kitchen. So we have a full-size fridge right here with a freezer. We have a gas oven and stove with a vent fan. So really cool, full amenities in the kitchen. Nice big sink to wash dishes in, and lots and lots of storage here. I do feel very grateful that this tiny home is, very modern. It has its own little tankless water heater, which is so cool, and obviously electricity. Very grateful for that as well, and Wi-Fi. When my cousin first came to visit me in my new house, I made him a whole kind of like pasta dish, and he was so impressed that I was able to make this in this small kitchen, but it really does have everything you need, which is so cool. You'll see we have the stairs from the lofted bedroom, and they actually all have storage units within the stairs, which is really cool. And then we have a really cool closet right underneath this first ledge, which is really awesome, and we can hang clothes there. So we're in the bathroom. It was super important for us to have a full-size bathroom in this space. We were super surprised when we saw how big it was. So we have a full-size shower over here with hot water. We also have this beautiful elm wood countertop and huge basin sink right here, and really nice lighting above there as well, and huge mirror too. People are definitely surprised that I have a full-size bathroom in this space. It's actually incredible when you walk in this tiny little door and you can see how big the bathroom is. Really cool feature, we have a washer and dryer in one machine, so it doubles as a laundry room. This beautiful little office nook is perfect for writers, artists, anybody who needs to get some work done remotely. And it also has some nice storage for any folders, papers, notebooks, all the things you need to have kind of like a full office setup. So I was able to work remotely all of quarantine right here. So this is a really cool element of the home. It's like a floating live edge counter. So it can be used in a lot of different ways. I've used it as a bar. I've used it as a dinner table, and also a place to work. So going from the office to a little deck area where I can look out, still be working, but enjoy the view as well. The idea of the tiny home came from, I was living with my sister Grace and her husband during the pandemic, and we had become a little quarantine. And while everybody else was baking some crazy stuff and doing home workouts and all those things, we were walking around Topanga together, hiking, doing all these activities outdoors. And we were just thinking, like, what if my long-term plan became living out here in Topanga? And then that actually aligned up really well because their neighbor owned the land right next door to them. He said that it was for sale. That's where the idea of the tiny home came in because we were able to put it under the oak trees, nestled in, really lovely. This is one of my sister and I's favorite aspect of the home, the green velvet couch, super comfy. And so we just love the look and love the comfort here as well. Go up these few stairs, there's storage underneath all of the stairs actually. And you can sit right here, hang out with your friends. You can also watch the TV or just read and kind of like have this nice little area where you can see the oak tree out there. There's no houses even in your view. It's all beautiful canyon, trees, everything. And then these low-hanging oak trees are kind of flowing in your view. And so it's all just kind of a beautiful forest alcove. And so we wanted a beautiful home, but to keep it small so that the landscape was the thing that was really in the forefront. And the tiny house was the best way to make the most of the natural landscape here. And now let me show you my bedroom. So we're in the bedroom now, super cozy lofted bed. So I loved sleeping up here. It was really, really nice and cozy and beautiful waking up in the morning and the light streaming through all of the windows, because there's also all these windows right up above as well. And it felt like you were camping or glamping or something, but then you could just pop down and make yourself breakfast and you're like actually in a home, which was really cool. And another element in the lofted space was this little meditation corner that I use to sit in the morning, light a little Palo Santo or candle, and just kind of chill sitting upright. And now let's go hang outside. Welcome to the patio area. It's so incredible. It doubles the whole living space. Love it so much. Just walk out of the home and can breathe and take in all of nature. It's just one of my favorite parts. We've done yoga classes, we've done movie nights. This space is very peaceful and restorative and healing. My sister actually does Reiki, and sometimes we do yoga here. We do classes, and she takes individual clients, and we actually have plans to make retreats here as well in the future. When I look at this home, you know, it means a lot to me. We put a lot of time and energy and everything into this home, so it really brings me a lot of joy to see other people enjoying it. We use this space in the summer and the winter. We use the heaters for the colder months, and then when it's hot out, it's nice because we get the shade from the beautiful oak trees, so it's really wonderful for all year round. It's a really good place to end the day. I'm actually gonna end my day here. So thanks again for coming on the tour, and I hope you visit again soon.